Welcome to the third video in our series about weaning. This video is all about how to store food that you've cooked or prepared that you don't plan to use right away, and how to defrost and reheat it when you do need it. In the first few days and weeks of the weaning journey, you will only need small amounts of food per day as baby gets used to the idea of solid foods. So whether you've cooked a whole broccoli just for baby or made bolognese for the whole family, you can store any leftovers to use another day. And you can prepare, puree, mash or chop these now or leave it until the time. So let's say you have cooked your bolognese. First, cool the food down at room temperature and plan to put it either in the fridge or the freezer within 2 hours. If you plan to use the food in the next 2 days, put it in an airtight container and then into the fridge. If you won't use the food in the next 2 days, you can freeze it. The ice cube tray is great for storing small portions of baby's meals, or plan further ahead and use small storage pots. The freezer acts as a pause button, so put the food in an airtight container or wrap well in a freezer bag. Label so that you know what it is and store until you need it. When you want to use the food again, there are a few ways to defrost. Overnight in the fridge. Run the closed container under the cold tap until defrosted, or use the defrost setting in the microwave. Ensure food is fully defrosted and plan to reheat and eat within 24 hours. If the food has been defrosted, it must be reheated thoroughly before eating. Reheat using the microwave, hob or oven, and make sure that food is steaming hot all the way through. Stir the food to ensure it is evenly cooked, and be very careful that the food is well cooled before giving it to baby, and watch out for any hot spots. This food can only be used once. If there is food left over this time, it must be thrown away. Check out our other videos for more information on introducing solids.